This screencast is going to deal with uploading of course lists. We're going to work with a blank one, which is called new.csv. It's important to save it as something, so we're going to go File, Save As, and we're going to call it, probably something I can find again. So we're going to call Acme 6 there, and just save that so it now comes up as Acme 6. You will get this come up, don't worry too much about that, it's because it's saved as a CSV. So when you did File, Save As, it's important that it's CSV in this drop down here. Okay, so the next thing is that the system is going to read from each individual cell, so you're not able to just change columns, you're not able to add a day or anything like that. You must leave these in the order in which they are, and you must actually be putting the information in so that the computer can actually work out what it's doing. It's important in that light to understand that each cell, the computer expects a certain thing, so from here it expects a string of letters, whereas in some of the other columns like here it only expects a 1 or a 0, so you can't put notes into here, you can only put notes into the column that's actually called notes, which is highly important as people seem to be confused by that. It's important that you put in the names in this column and the house of the person who's actually working, so I'm just going to paste in a few, which if you have them in Word or anything like that, then they should just copy and paste in this manner here. When it comes to the day, these three columns, the computer is only expecting one of about four things. A 1 for someone who's attended, so that person's attended all day. A 0 if they haven't attended all day, or an A if it's an AM, as in they were there for the AM, or they were there for the PM. So those are the only four things they can do. But as for the purposes of what we're doing, everybody attended. Well, they didn't actually, everybody didn't attend all 3 days, but I'm going to change that when we get to it. So let's have a look there. So if I just change this one to an A and say Philip to a P, that was AM and PM. And if I went down to Moray, she didn't attend the last 2 days, so she gets a 0, 0 for the last 2 days. When it comes to the numbers, I'll just copy and paste some in. So the numbers themselves would actually be in terms of from 1 to 10 and are the standard system that we use whenever we do the numbers on a course. You'll be taught how to do that as part of your process of passing your trainer's course. Certification, this column only takes a 1, a Y for yes, or a 0. Now what we've got here is we've got a situation where that person didn't complete, that person didn't complete, and where's that person? That person there did not complete. So we make sure the certification column was a 0 for them. Okay. Now we're nearly finished. When it comes to the notes on each individual, there are a couple of things. I'm just going to show you copy and paste where they copy them from, so that you can see how much notes I actually do get through. So for example, this person did not attend the physical, so I can actually put that in there, and because there was no physical, I'm going to put a 1 in there, which meant that that person did not do any PI. No PI, there's a 1 in there. This is just to show you that really this system can take a whole chunk of notes. So I'm just taking that chunk of notes there, and that's Sarah Marks there, and I'm just putting in the chunk of notes there. Now because of that, Sarah actually didn't complete the PI either, which is all written in the notes. Did not do all the physical because of a previous bad back. So that was Edward Scissors, if I remember rightly. So I'm just going to put in that and give that person a 1 as well. Okay, and there we have it. All we need to do then is just save that, and we get this again. We say yes, save it to wherever, and then we can upload it in the next video, which I will do in the next screencast. Thank you.